Ngomhla ka-25 kuvela bahlinze, uMengameli uRamaphosa wakhuluma nesitjhaba ngamahlelo urhulumende anawo ukuqeda umraro wegezi inarha eqalene nawo. Muva nje iEskom beyakateleleka bona imemezela isigaba sesithandathu sokuqindeliswa kwegezi njengoma nitlhayelelwa mamandla.
As part of addressing the shortage of megawatts, Eskom will now also purchase additional energy from existing private generators such as mines, paper mills, shopping centers and other private entities that have surplus power.
Imayini yakwa-Northern Platinum ivekele imemezela ukuthi ikhuphula izinga lamandla ayo lokukhiqiza igezi. Isigaba sokuthoma seplant ye-20 megawatt solar sizokuphela ekupheleni kumnyaka ozako. Kuhlela ukukhiqizwa amandla angaba yi-40 megawatts, amanye amandla azokuthengiselwa iEskom. Ikhampani imayini le kwanje ibambe imikhulumiswano nekhampani ephehla amandla le.
Whenever Eskom declares load curtailment, we basically switch on our generators and then supply into the grid, depending on the load curtailment stage that Eskom had declared. From a solar point of view, currently we have a 1 megawatt plant, which is via the car park. It's producing 1 megawatt as mentioned, and in future we intend to build a 40 megawatt plant. However, the first phase will be a 20 megawatt plant.
Unchuphetsa ukuthi okwanje ama-generator basizile ukuraga ngomsebenzi lokho akuqindeliswe igezi.
Once we have our own 20 megawatt plant, what it basically means is that we can produce our own 20 megawatt, feed it into the grid. By so doing, we reduce 20 megawatt from Eskom.
Uhulumende ufuna lawa basiphethela igezi bona bathengisele uEskom igezi salako ukufaka hlangana imizi ezenzela igezi ngamandla welanga bese kuba nale esalako bazibekele.